Welcome everyone to another episode of our coding series. Today we have an interesting problem to tackle. The issue at hand revolves around the behavior of lookahead and lookbehind patterns in regular expressions. It seems like these patterns can behave unexpectedly, especially when using certain anchors like the caret symbol. Now, diving deeper into the problem, we see that the lookahead patterns with the caret symbol anchor tend to act in a peculiar way. They require the following text to match at the same position as the lookahead itself. This can lead to unexpected results, as seen in our example with the patterns involving a hyphen. On the other hand, lookbehind patterns work differently by asserting that the text before the main pattern matches. This backward approach allows for more flexibility in matching situations. Now, let's delve into the solution that sheds light on why this behavior occurs. When the regex engine encounters a lookahead, it checks the subsequent part of the input without actually moving the position in the input. This is why patterns with zero with assertions like caret or backslash work seamlessly. However, if the lookahead contains a pattern that matches one or more characters, the subsequent pattern must match at the same position, leading to the observed behavior. This also explains why lookbehind patterns do not face the same constraint, as they look behind the main pattern and do not require an exact match position. In summary, we've explored the intricacies of lookahead and lookbehind patterns in regular expressions, particularly when using anchors like the caret symbol. Understanding these mechanics can be crucial when crafting complex regex patterns. I hope this explanation has shed some light on this interesting aspect of regex. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe, like and comment below with your thoughts on regex, the wild world of pattern matching.